Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by powering off the Sony WH-1000XM4 using the side power switch. Wait 10 seconds with the headphones off before continuing. If battery is low, plug in the USB-C cable and charge to at least 30%. A simple power cycle often clears Bluetooth or audio glitches without further steps. After charging and waiting, turn the headphones back on using the same power switch. Confirm they power up and play audio, or enter pairing mode as expected. If simple power cycling fails, perform a soft reset procedure before factory actions. Turn the headphones off and then hold the power switch for about 7 seconds to enter pairing mode. On your phone or laptop, remove the WH-1000XM4 from the Bluetooth device list. Then search and repair the headphones while they are in pairing mode. Repairing restores normal connection settings without erasing any customizations or saved equalizer presets on mobile apps. When persistent problems remain, perform a full initialize or factory reset to restore defaults. With the headphones powered off, press and hold the power button and the NC button simultaneously for about 7 seconds. The indicator will flash indicating initialization, and Bluetooth pairing history will be erased. After this procedure, reinstall the Sony Headphones Connect app and repair each device from scratch. Adjust noise canceling, equalizer, and call settings anew to your preferences after the factory reset completes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.